wrapping you around. You watched me fall apart, time and time again. Couldn't lose you in the end.